So when you want to add on or installing a riser on flex, and the flex is shallow or your trench isn't very deep, and you want your riser to maintain its sturdiness, so you want to have the riser deeper, you can't use a thread by thread coupling because it's either going to put it in a bind and break right there, or it's going to be callywonkus. So simply take off that and put a thread by thread 1/2 inch 90 in its place, and you'll be able to get the depth that you want with the flex maintaining shallow depth, so it just swings up and down, side to side.